Sticky, sticky, gooey goo, stuck to me and stuck to you. Stuck together, 1, 2, 3. Who will come to set us free? Pop the bubbles, wash the slime. Clean up, it's the time. Rub your hands and scrub a dub, splashing in the bubble tub. Bye-bye, slime! Baby monster looked around, all his colors can be found. Green and blue and red are gone. He was gray and all alone. I was bright just yesterday. Where did all my colors stray? He looked under his monster bed, found a splash of something red. Now his toes were red and bright, wiggling left and wiggling right. Then he found a spot of blue in his zero monster goo. Now his tongue is full of blue, and it makes a bubbly boo. Next he saw a patch of green hiding where his head had been. He popped it out and gave a roar. Now I'm green a little more. On his hands he found some pink from the soap beside the sink. Now he's silly pink and clean, sparkly paws and shiny sheen.
we can fix it hand in hand.
I want this.
Nuh-uh. Stop whining, use your words. Say it clearly, let it be heard. Are you hungry, feeling sad? Tell me gently, it's not so bad. Stop whining, use your words. Let me know just what a cure. Stop whining, use your words. Let me know just what a cure.
Oh, Daddy, I'm sad today. Please come hug the pain away. Your hug is magic, soft and true. I feel much better next to you.
Stop whining, use your words. Let me know just what a cure. Are you tired, mad or sad? Tell me why you're feeling bad. Talking helps me understand, so we can